The hardest part of selling your home is your emotions. Honestly, you have a lot of emotional capital invested in your home. You built a life here, filled with unique and happy experiences. But when you sell your home, you must separate the memories from the masonry. Buyers are not invested in the stories your walls can tell. They are looking at a house that they can turn into their own home with new memories of their own. So those tick marks showing the kids' growth are cute, but not really sellable. The knickknacks from family vacations may seem like clutter, and walls hidden by personal photos can make a room seem smaller. The key is to think like a buyer and to carefully pack your memories to move with you. Let's talk about preparing you and your home for the selling process. Call or text me today.
If this information was helpful, check out my YouTube channel to see more videos and subscribe.